Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to our channel, The Eaton Squad. My name is Addie. So for today's video is actually good news from the Bureau of Immigration press release. Details coming right up. So I've always thought that the Philippine government is cooking up something because they are improving this particular department or this particular department is working on something. So it's obvious that they are working on something big that's going to happen. And I think I am quite right on this. With this Bureau of Immigration press release, Bureau of Immigration manpower readied for the increase of arrival cap. So I think this is it. The increase on arrival cap, it's because Christmas is just around the corner and a lot of overseas Filipinos are planning on coming home to spend the holidays with their family. And with this, they don't have a choice but to increase the arrival cap, increase the international flights from different parts of the world. So this is what it is all about. Let's go over the details of this press release from the Bureau of Immigration. Bureau of Immigration manpower readied for the increase in arrival cap. The Bureau of Immigration expressed their readiness for the planned increase of the arrivals cap for international passengers to accommodate more returning overseas Filipinos. In a statement, Bureau of Immigration Commissioner Jaime Morente said that he has instructed the Bureau of Immigration's Port Operations Division to conduct an assessment of manpower needed to service the proposed increase of arrivals. The move comes after the announcement of the Department of Transportation that it plans to increase the arrival cap by exploring alternative gateways to the Ninoy Aquino International Airport, Clark International Airport, Mactan Cebu International Airport. With the increase on the gateway, actually they are also looking at General Santos City as a gateway for international flights, as well as Bohol and Zamboanga for gateways on international flights. If you guys have watched the news, the Secretary of the Department of Transportation laid out the plans on the increase of arrival cap because like I mentioned, Christmas is just around the corner and more Filipinos are coming home for that special event with their family. With the recent hiring of almost 100 immigration officers, we are confident that we can supply the needed manpower for the possible increase in arrival, said Morente. It can be recalled that earlier this month, 99 immigration officers have been deployed to NAIA. Said immigration officers are undergoing their on-the-job training prior to their full deployment in the immigration counters. An additional batch of newly hired immigration officers are expected to be trained by the year end, said Morente. We are currently fast-tracking their application so they can be deployed in time for the increase of the number of international passengers, he added. Morente said he remains hopeful that the international travel will bounce back soon following the aggressive vaccination campaign of the government. So this is actually good news. There are more international airports that are going to be used as a gateway for the international flights. As well as in October, the President has already approved to do the vaccination for the population already. Because as we all know, on their vaccination rollout, they prioritize A1, A2, A3, A4. These are senior citizens, frontliners, economic frontliners, and the indigenous people. Now, finally, they got to the population where the majority of the citizens of the Philippines are at. So that will start in October. And that is really good. That just tells you that the vaccination rollout in the Philippines is successful and fast. That is why they are ready and they are now planning to increase the arrival cap particularly international flights in the coming months. So this is really good that they are preparing for it. I have a feeling that this is the time that we have all been waiting for. I don't want to jinx it, but with all the updates that they have been announcing and they have been posting, all of this waiting will be over with. And hopefully this is not just one of those announcements that gets forgotten after 1 week and just throw in the toilet because it's not possible to happen because cases are going up again and stuff. But it's actually possible to happen because more and more citizens of the Philippines are being vaccinated. The fully vaccinated individuals in the Philippines are slowly increasing, and supplies of vaccines are continuously coming into the countries. Actually, there is no shortage on vaccination supply at the moment. We actually have a lot of vaccines coming in into the country in the next coming months. So probably this is why they are now ready to open up. They are now ready to increase the arrival cap, particularly the international flights to the Philippines. So this is really good news. I hope it goes all the way. I hope this gets implemented soon, and I will keep you guys posted with the new news on the increase of the arrival cap in the Philippines for international flights. They will be using different airports as the gateway for international flights. I will definitely keep you guys posted on that. Which airport are they going to be using? But for now, their targeted airport are NAIA, Clark International Airport, Mactan Cebu International Airport, General Santos City, Bohol, and Zamboanga International Airport. So the more international airport they open up, the more international passengers that they can cater to enter the Philippines again. So let's continue these good vibes and keep those good news coming. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and share this video to your friends and family whom you know that can use this video as reference. To our new subscribers, I welcome you all. And to those who have not been subscribed to our channel yet, please consider subscribing, especially if you are traveling to the Philippines during the time of the pandemic. We do travel updates almost every day. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you will be notified every time we have new uploads. So please like and share this video. It will really help out our channel. I hope to see you guys on our next travel update. Stay safe, stay healthy, and God bless everyone. Bye.